Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's ATM Locator. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just get started. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the Twoguysfinance website and you're going to click on ATM Locator. Next, you're going to enter your location or zip code, and that's going to help you to find nearby ATMs. You can review the list of nearby ATMs and select the one that you want to visit and get directions to the ATM using Twoguysfinance. Now, you just use the ATM to withdraw cash. You could also use it to check your account balance or to perform other transactions. And be sure to review the ATM fees and charges before completing your transaction. And you can also use the Twoguysfinance mobile app to find ATMs on the go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use Twoguysfinance's ATM Locator. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next